Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I am participating in the New Year's Tablescape collaboration hosted by the Heavens Pearls. I will have their channel links in the description box. Please head over to their channels and show your love and support. They have amazing content to share. So for my tablescape, what I did, I took a birthday tablescape and I transitioned it to a New Year's tablescape. I did use some of the same items, so I will show you what I replaced to create this New Year's tablescape. And of course, I used the colors gold, silver, and black. So for my centerpiece, I originally had a floral centerpiece, so I switched it out to this one here. This glass was a DIY. I added gold glitter to the bottom, kept the top cleared, and inside the vase I use a disposable container. I spray painted black and added the silver glitter to the bottom. And for the picks, I use the silver gold picks. And these picks are from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Dollar Tree. So for my taper runner, I used a silver sequence runner. And on top of that, I used this bling gold wrap. So the only thing I pretty much switched out for my runner, I originally had a black and white stripe runner, so I switched it out to this silver sequence one. The candle holders, the champagne bottle that's from Dollar Tree, the candles, all are the same. And these candles are DIY. And now on the other side is the same as well. So pretty much my centerpiece was basically the same, with the exception of the glass here that I have. Originally, again, I did use floral. So for my table setting, I used the same placemats. I did switch out the charger plates, and these charger plates are from Ross. And these are like sort of glittered charger plates. And the dinner plates, I do have a video showing how I made these dinner plates, and by just using gold glitter and Mod Podge. For the napkins, I switched it out for these all black napkins. I also switched out these silverwares to the silver ones here. And these silverwares are from Dollar Tree. The napkin rings are from Amazon. They're very inexpensive. And inside the napkins ring, I inserted these horns. For the middle place setting, the chargers are different, and these chargers are also from Ross, and they come 4 in a pack for $9.99. The dinner plates, same glitter Mod Podge technique, but a different pattern. Again, I do have a video that shows how I DIY these dinner plates. The napkins are the same, and the horns, I use a silver one instead. So moving on to my drinkware, I did replace the drinkware with these wine glass and flute. The all black with gold trim. Wine glasses are from Home Goods. And the rhinestone stem champagne glass are from Ross. So for my table linen, I originally had a rosette tablecloth. I did switch it out to these sequence black paillette table linen. And this is a 90 by 156. To finish off the tablescape, I used the same black Chivari chairs and switched out the cushion to the silver sequence cushion. And lastly, the backdrop remained the same with the balloon garlands, which I DIY'd, the backdrop, which I also DIY'd. The only thing I did was to switch out the birthday sign to these inflated New Year sign that is from Dollar Tree. So this concludes the tour of my New Year's Tablescape. Again, this collaboration is hosted by the Heavens Pearls, and the members are DIY Design by CCW, Glam Queen of DIY, Jazzy Green Decor Style, Styling with Stacy, Love is the Main Key, Debbie Bubbles, Levels of Styles with Sandra, and Designer's Love. Please head over to these ladies' channels and show your love and support. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not already a member of this channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you'll know when I upload a new video. Thanks again and stay blessed. Happy New Year.